Hello all, my name is Jai Gandhi. My teammates are Nitesh Jain, Tushar Vora and Rishabh Jain. We have completed a 6 weeks internship in deep learning provided by Leading India AI and Bennett University. Our topic was pose estimation in drone videos for identifying hand gestures under the guidance of Dr. Bal Mukund Mishra. Now, why is pose estimation important? Due to increasing use of drone in monitoring remote areas, drone surveillance is becoming popular. This can help in search and rescue operations and save many more lives. But this area is very less explored, hence attention is required in developing autonomous algorithms in identifying poses. Hence, the main aim of our project is to develop an advanced system using deep learning which can prove effective in identifying hand gestures.
Greetings. My name is Rishabh Jain and I would like to do the dataset description for our project. We chose MPII dataset to train the model. MPII dataset is a human pose dataset that has been proved to be the state of the art benchmark for evaluation of articulated human pose estimation. MPII dataset includes around 25,000 images containing over 40,000 people with annotated body joints or key points. We chose custom drone videos at first for validation, which we downloaded from the internet. Moreover, we used many webcam videos, some of which we made ourselves to accomplish the task of testing. The model works perfectly on every test input that we had given to it. Now Nitesh will describe the working of the model and the methodology behind it.
Hi, I'm Nitesh Jain. I'm going to explain about open-pose estimation model. Open-pose is a pre-trained method which we used in our project. Open-pose represents the first real-time multi-person system to jointly detect human body, hand, facial, foot key points, which is in total 135 key points on single image. To be clear, this technology is not recognizing who is in the image. The algorithm is simply estimating where key body joints are. It consists of three blocks. Body plus foot detection, hand detection and face detection. The first is takes the input image and predict possible locations of each key points in the image with a confidence map. Confidence map is good for single person pose estimation. Multi-person pose estimation has additional many challenges such as unknown number of persons in the image. Using confidence map you can only generate all the key points. Now over to Tushar.
Hi, this is Tushar. I am now going to conclude our project and afterwards we'll have a small demonstration on how our project works with a real life example. So with this project we are successful in recognizing and predicting the actions performed by a person. We have focused on identifying the hand gestures made by a person, which is going to be very helpful in search and rescue operations, where with the help of a drone we can easily identify people who are in need of help. During this project we got a very in-depth understanding of how convolutional neural networks work and how we can use them in real-life problems. During this project, we got to learn about various convolutional neural network models like the HRNet model, the higher HRNet model and the OpenPose model. We learned how to train and test these models on different datasets like the COCO dataset and the MPI dataset. After learning about the models, we chose to go with the OpenPose model because it was the best fit for our problem statement, as it allowed us to predict hand gestures in live videos, whereas the HRNet model and the higher HRNet model did so only with images. We then fed the model our own videos and it correctly predicted the actions in them. This project really helped us in understanding how deep learning can be a really powerful tool in solving real world problems. Obviously this project has many applications in other fields also, and the future scope in this project is very vast. Thank you.
This is our user interface. We are using Flask for deploying our model. First, user will have to select whether he want to estimate pose on video or real time using webcam. We are selecting video. After that, user will have to drop the video path. After clicking next, processing will start on video. It will took some time because we are using CPU, but it take less time on GPU. After processing complete, the output will shown like this to user. Now we are going to select webcam option. After selecting it, we have to click on start and it will start the webcam and real-time processing will start. Thank you.